Hi, I'm Christelle and welcome to E Prime. Hi, I'm Christelle and welcome to E Prime. In celebration of Bunny Wailer's 70th birthday, E Prime will this week continue to spit some knowledge on the reggae legend. Now, did you know that the Wailer, Marley, Tosh trio formed their group in Trenchtown during the ska era of the 1960s? However, they recorded only 2 albums together, Catch a Fire and Burnin', for Island Records in 1973, before each split to pursue solo careers.
It keeps on burning. It keeps on burning, burning, burning. Things out in water.
Jamaica hosted the inaugural Curvy Caribbean Conference over the weekend. The 2-day event, specifically geared for plus-sized women, featured Caribbean and international plus-sized models and fashion designers. The conference also featured panel discussions and workshops with professional presenters on matters of confidence, self-love, health, fitness, fashion and shopping. The Curvy Caribbean Conference is the brainchild of radio host and entrepreneur Alicia Jarrett. Hosted by media personality Delia Harris, presenters included dance and fitness instructor Yendi Phillips, Atlanta-based blogger Nikki Freestyle, and international plus-sized models Tessanie Moat and Trisha Campbell.
To any woman, it's just be comfortable with yourself and be happy with who you are. And really that's where it begins. If you're not happy with yourself, how can people be happy with you and love you, yeah? So I think what's good about today is that it's helping women to be fashionable, to be stylish, to know that because you're plus size don't mean your hair can't look good, doesn't mean your makeup can't be on fleek. Yeah. You know, you can really, and I think the Caribbean curvy women are some of the most beautiful women in the world. It's pulling people together and helping people to realize you're not the only curvy woman in Jamaica. You're not the only person that has the kind of issues that you have. Yeah. And it's saying to, I think, the rest of Jamaica, the time has come. We're over it. Curvy moving on.
So I think what Alicia has done here with the Curvy Caribbean Conference is amazing. There are so many beautiful women in the Caribbean, and I think it's great when we can all come together and support each other, help each other look great. We already look fabulous.
The Crown leads nominations in this year's British Academy of Film and Television Arts BAFTA TV Awards with 5 nods. The categories include Best Drama Series, Best Female Performance, 2 noms in Best Supporting Actor and Best Supporting Actress. Surprisingly, The Night Manager, which won 3 Golden Globe Awards and was expected to sweep in the BAFTA, was only nominated in the Supporting Actor category. Nominations continued with HBO's The Night Of, Netflix's Strange Things, and FX's The People vs. OJ in the international category. Nominations for Virgin TV's must-see moment includes Ed Balls' Gangnam Style performance on Strictly Come Dancing and The Late Late Show's Carpool Karaoke segment with former First Lady Michelle Obama going up against newly hatched baby iguanas being chased by racist snakes on planet Earth 2. The BAFTA TV Awards will take place at Royal Festival Hall on Sunday, May 14. And that's it for this evening's edition of E Prime. I'm Christelle. Thank you for watching.